Hi, my name is Pariti Somani, and this particular video has been made for my lab assignment 2 of visualization. For this particular assignment, I have chosen the student alcohol consumption survey dataset. Now, in this particular assignment, we have to make certain plots such as the scree plot, scatter plot, MDS plot with the correlation and Euclidean metric, and the scatter plot matrix. This can be done for the original dataset. In this case, this is 395 rows. It can be done on randomly sampled data or stratified sample data. Now, in my home page, by default, the original dataset and the scree plot is selected. As you can see, when the home page loads, this particular plot is presented. For 75.11% variance ratio is shown in the 13 principal components in the original dataset for scree plot. Now, if I choose the randomly sampled dataset, we can see that 75.4% of variance ratio is shown in the 11 principal components. Similarly, for the stratified sampling, 77.29% explained variance is given in the 12 principal components. Now we'll jump to the scatter plot. We can see that component 1 and component 2 is plot for the original dataset. Similarly, for the randomly sampled dataset and the stratified sampling. Now we can go to the MDS plot with the correlation metric. This MDS plot takes a little time to load for the original dataset as the calculation is a little heavier than the previous plots. Similarly, for the Euclidean metric, MDS plot is made for the stratified sample data, the original dataset, which comes in a nice elliptical form, and the randomly sampled dataset. We can now check the scatterplot matrix for the original dataset. We can see that almost all the points in this particular matrix are overlapping in the first 4 blocks. The health, this 0, 1 block, 1, 1 block, and this 0, 1 block. This is because that the health and the FAMREL, which is the family relationship parameter, are categorical data, whereas the absences parameter is the numerical data. Similarly, we can see for the randomly sampled dataset, the same 3 parameters have been chosen. And then for the stratified sampling, there are 2 new parameters, which is the health, the study time, and the free time, wherein the health, study time, and free time, all 3 of them are categorical data and thus the very uniform plots. Thank you for your time.